pupils, and welcome to the channel Tennis Palette. In today's lesson, we are going to learn object pronouns. If you want to learn them, please stay.
Welcome to Language Adventure with Tanya. Imagine exploring the world through its languages. Picture yourself strolling past the Eiffel Tower, diving into the rich history of Germany, or savoring the vibrant culture of Spain. Each language opens a door to new experiences, friendships, and understanding. Whether you're mastering English, dancing to Korean rhythms, or savoring French cuisine, every word you learn is a step on this exciting journey. Let's embark on this adventure together and unlock the beauty of communication across the globe.
Introduction in English. Object pronouns are pronouns that replace the direct or indirect object. In a sentence, they are used after a verb or a preposition. So now let's learn what is the subject and what is the object pronoun for you to identify them a little bit better. The subject, do you remember? I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. And the object pronoun of I is me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. I recommend you to memorize them because it's important that you know them. Object pronouns are used in three contexts. After a verb, I like her. If you see here, the verb is like. They saw us. Saw is the verb, and the object pronoun is us in blue. Then we have after a preposition. This gift is for him. What is the preposition for? And the object pronoun him. She sat next to me. What's the preposition here? To. And the object pronoun in blue, me. In questions and short answers, who call you? Me. So let's see the difference between subject and object pronouns. If you see here, we have the type pronoun, right? Then we have subject example, she's here. What is the object example? I saw her. What is the object? Her. Then we have pronouns, they are coming, the subject examples, I invited them. What is the object of they? Them, right? Then we have here more examples after verbs. I called him yesterday. What's the verb? Called in past, right? They invite us to the party. What is the verb? Invited. And the object pronoun? Us. She saw me at the park. What's the object pronoun? Me. Can you help them with the homework? We love it. Referring to something like a movie or gift. I hope that is a little bit clear. This part. Then we have here after prepositions. This letter is for her. What's the preposition? For. He stood behind me in line. What's the preposition? Behind. The teacher is speaking to you. What's the preposition? To. Don't be afraid of it. What's the preposition? Of. Referring to something like a dog or a situation. They are walking with us to the store. With is the preposition. Then we have here more examples in questions and answers. Question: who is helping you? And the answer: she is helping me. Did you see John and Sarah? Yes, I saw them. Well, did I use them? Because I'm talking about two people and I am not including them, right? Then we have, do you like this dress? Yes, I like it. Why did I use it? Because I'm talking about a noun, right? So it is the accurate for this sentence. Who's coming with us? He's coming with us. Then we have here more examples combining like mixing, right? Object pronoun, something you might need to use more than one object pronoun in a sentence. He gave me a gift. This is a direct object, me. She told him a story, direct object, him. I sent them an email. Direct object, them. Now, guys, for you to understand a little bit better, I decided to picture it out these examples. We have this character here, right? We will say that he is Thomas or Nicholas, right? We will say that he is Nicholas. And he is like having thoughts right now, right? I like her. Should I tell her how I feel? If you see here in this sentence, we have two object pronouns. Then we have mom said she needs me to help her with dinner tonight. We have two object pronouns, me and her. She smiled at me today. Maybe she likes me too. We have the same in the same sentence if it's possible. That always supports me. I want to make him proud. If you see here, we used even in his thoughts the object pronouns for you to see why they are very important in sentences. So now let's make an activity time. Don't be afraid, it will be easy. What's the exercise? Complete each sentence. I really like Sarah. I met yesterday. What is the object pronoun for her? I already gave you the answer, right? Is her for she. This is my dog. I love so much. I don't know his gender. John and I are best friends. You can trust with anything. I have some good news. Let me share it with. My sister is so kind, everyone loves. So, I don't know what are the answers, guys, this time. Write it down below in the comments, and I'll be reading those comments. And here we have the answers. I really like Sarah. I met her yesterday. What's the object pronoun in this sentence? Her. Why? Because I'm talking about a woman, right? Sarah is a woman. Then we have this is my dog. I love him so much. Him. If the dog is male, you will use her. If the dog is family. John and I are best friends. You can trust us with anything. What's the object pronoun? Us. Why? Because I'm talking about me and someone else. That's us, right? Then we have I have some good news. Let me share it with you. If you see here, to give sentence, to give sense, sorry, to your sentence, I used the object pronoun you. My sister is so kind, everyone loves her. Why did I use her? Because I'm talking about my sister. She is a woman. So I hope that you understood, guys. And if you didn't, don't worry. By the time you will get used to it. And I recommend you to learn them because it's in the only way that you will be able to understand things. Thank you guys. Don't forget to give a like and hit the bell button and subscribe. See you soon.